Okay, so hello everyone. Good day. Our topic for today is all about building and enhancing new literacies across the curriculum. So, the characteristic of a 21st century teacher. The 21st century teaching and learning environment becomes more complicated brought by technological changes. Therefore, teachers should able to cope with adapt to these changes. Thus, teachers must be equipped with attribute, knowledge, and skills critical to 21st century education so that they may be able to integrate them in their teaching. 21st century teachers are characterized as: first is multi-literate. Teachers know how to use various technologies in teaching. Second is multi-specialist. Teachers are not only knowledgeable in the core subject they teach, but also in other areas so that they can help the learner build up with what they gain in the classroom and outside the school and make sense of what was learned. And the third one is multi-skilled. Teachers cope with the demand for widening learning opportunities by being skillful not just in teaching but also in facilitating and organizing groups and activities. And number four is self-directed. Teachers are responsible for various aspects of school life and know how to initiate action to realize the learning goals of the student and the educational goals of the country at large. And number five is lifelong learner. Teachers embrace the ideal that learning never ends. Therefore, teacher must be constantly updated on the latest information related to their subject and pedagogic trends. They should also share what they are learning with their students and colleagues with a high sense of professionalism.
Number 6. Flexible. Teachers are able to adapt to various learning styles and needs of the learners. They can facilitate learner-centered teaching with flexibility using alternative modes of delivery. For example, flexible teacher can use different practice such as inquiry, learning, group works, project-based learning, or technology-based learning depending on the need of their student. Flexible teachers are also willing to explore different instructional materials and strategies to meet their student needs. Number 7. Creative problem solver. Teachers create innovative ideas and effective solutions to the arising problems in the field, be it in the classroom, in the school, or a profession as a whole. For example, you might ask your student to decide whether stealing a bag of chip when hungry is right. Explain that they're to make an ethical decision and that is challenging since they only have two options. This kind of activity helps students develop the ability to use higher level thinking skills. Number 8. Critical thinker. Teachers are critical thinkers as they encourage students to reflect on what they have learned and rekindle in them with the desire to ask questions, reason out, prove, and establish their own knowledge and belief. For example, students might apply critical thinking in their science lesson to work out the best way to approach their group project. They make decisions such as who will complete each task in what time frame. They solve problems like how and where they will meet outside of school hours and work together. Number 9. Passionate. Teachers possession in teaching profession to ensure that students are motivated to learn under their guidance and care. A passionate teacher can inspire students and get students interested in what they are learning. Number 10. High emotional quotient. Teachers do not just have the head but also the heart to teach. Teaching is emotionally taxing but an influential job. It is involved interaction with human beings. For example, teachers can tell students when they are frustrated and have a conversation with them using I statement. Then they can tell their student what they are going to do to positively handle the situation. This helps students see the process of recognizing, stating, and controlling their emotions.
So now let's proceed to common 21st century technology tools for learning. As a teacher for the 21st century, no one can escape the reality that we are now in the boardless society. It is therefore important that we should know different technology tools for learning to respond to the need for the 21st learners and demands of the time. As a future educator, we need to know the different type of technology kay mauna gid na karon ang ato ang new generation. The following are common 21st century technology tools are: first, affinity groups. These are groups or community that unite individuals with a common interest. Electronic space extended to the range of possibility for such a group. Second, blogs. Weblogs or blogs are interactive website open to the public that can include web links, photograph, and audio and video elements. So, we know all what is blog. Katong ma-share na ito mga travel history sa Facebook. Pinaagi sa pag-blog. So, third, a portfolio. It is referred to the student works that are generated, selected, or organized, storage, and revised digitally. Open electronic portfolios are accessible to the multi-audience and can be moved from site to another easily. So fourth, hypertext. These are electronic texts that provide multiple lengths and allows user to trace idea immediately and idiosyncratic direction. Hypermedia aid sounds, video, animation, and or virtual reality environment to the user choices. So fifth, the podcast. These are digital audio files that are stored on the internet and downloaded to the listener computers or mostly in the MP3 players. The term podcast comes from iPad, the popular MP3 player. So 6, Web 2.0. This refers to the second generation of web, based of community that demonstrate the participatory literacy that students need for the 21st century. 7. MySpace. It is a social networking website that offers an interactive user-submitted network of friends, personal profiles, blogs, group, photos, music, and videos internationally. 8. Second Life. It is an internet-based 3D virtual worlds that use avatar digital presentation to explore socialize, participate in individual or group activity, create and treat item virtual properly and services. So 9, semantic web. It is an extension of the current web that puts data into a common format so that instead of human working with individual search engine, Google asks Jeeves to collect information, search engine themselves filled into a single mechanics that provide that search on its own. So lastly, then, Webkins. With Webkins.com, it's an internet simulation where children learn pet care and other skills. So as a future teacher, we need to tell about this web to our students for them to know more and get new ideas, knowledge, and skill with these Webkin links. So Ma'am Gwen Marie Idoria will be continue discuss about the common 21st century technology tools for learning.
Number 11. Wiki. It refers to software that foster collaborations and communication online. Wiki enables students to create, comment upon, and revise collaborations projects. One of the most prominent is Wikipedia, www.wikipedia.org, an online multilingual free content encyclopedia which has 7.9 million articles in 253 languages. Number 12. YouTube. It is a popular website for video sharing where users can upload, view, and share video footage, including movie clips, TV clips, and most videos, even student-produced videos. Number 13. Google Docs. It allows students to collaborate with other people and the documents materials that they need to be compiled, processed, transacted, and analyzed. Number 14. Prezi. It allows individuals to use pre-made creative presentation templates. Number 15. ECB. It allows individuals to generate citations in any given format. Number 16. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Edmodo, Schoology, Instagram, and etc. These are meant to communicate and share ideas among users. Number 17. Smartboard and audience response system. These are the replacement for traditional chalkboard and whiteboards in classroom. It is a repository of standard-based literacy lessons that offers teachers instructional ideas for internet integration. Number 19. Webcast page. It provides webcasts on area of topics across content areas with the templates for creating one's own. And the last one, number 20, Literacy Web. It is an online portal that includes a large number of new literacy resources for teachers. And that's all, everyone. Thank you for listening.